that rock. Keep the rock a rollin' till the end of your day. Well, do you ever stop and wonder why you do it all day? Putting in time, drawing your pay, shoulder to the boulder, you know you're getting older. Yes sir, no sir, you get the dough, sir. Roll that rock, roll that rock, roll that rock. Keep the rock a rollin' till the end of your day. Well, here's a tale about a king flew into a rage when he found his only daughter in the arms of a slave. He said, death's too good for a man like you. I'm gonna tell you exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna take that rock and roll it up that hill, and when you get to the top, there ain't no standing still. You're gonna roll it back down and do it once more. Do it till you just can't do it no more. You're gonna roll that rock, roll that rock, roll that rock. Keep the rock a rollin' till the end of your day. Well, a slave found a way to deal with sorrow and strife, and he didn't need a king ruling his life. He learned to love that rock and love that hill. He put himself to it, man, he's doing it still. He's rolling that rock, rolling that rock, rolling that rock. Keep the rock a rollin' till the end of your day. So if you find yourself sitting on a front end loader, or pulling a wrench on a broken down motor, pulling on a string line, trying to make a deadline, digging for the Lord at the bottom of the mine, keep rolling that rock, rolling that rock, roll that rock. Keep the rock a rollin' till the end of your day. Roll that rock, roll that rock, roll that rock. Keep the rock a rollin' till the end of your day. Keep the rock a rollin' till the end of your day.